Hi everyone. In this session, I want to tell about the De Morgan theorems. De Morgan's theorems. De Morgan theorems. Here, the Boolean laws, De Morgan theorems are Boolean laws. There are two De Morgan theorems are used in Boolean postulates. They are De Morgan theorem 1 and De Morgan theorem 2. Now we are going to discuss about the De Morgan theorem 1. De Morgan theorem 1. De Morgan theorem 1. So, for any two variables a and b, for any two variables a and b in Boolean algebra, the complement of sum of logic variables is equal to the product of their individual complements. This is the first theorem. What is the first theorem? A plus b whole bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. A plus b whole bar is equal to a bar and b bar. How can we define this? Theorem 1, De Morgan theorems 1. That is, for any two variables a and b, for any two variables a and b in Boolean algebra, the complement of sum of two variables, the complement of sum of two variables is equal to the product of their individual complements. That is the first De Morgan theorem. Now we will verify this theorem. A plus b whole bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. Here a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. That is the first theorem. Here, what is LHS? Here, the inputs are, we will verify this theorem, whether it is correct or not. Inputs. What are the inputs here? A and B are the inputs. A and B are the inputs. A plus B. And the output is a plus b bar. A plus b bar. A plus b bar. So 0, 0. Let the two inputs are 0 and 0. A plus b is 0 and its complement is 1. 0, 1, 1 and its complement is 0. 1, 0, 1, its complement is 0. 1, 1, its output is a plus b is equal to 1 and its complement is 0. So here LHS is equal to a plus b bar. A plus b bar. Now what about the RHS? What about the RHS? What about the RHS? Here the two inputs are A, B are the two inputs. A bar, B bar, and the output is A bar dot B bar. Here the RHS is equal to A bar dot B bar. RHS is equal to A bar dot B bar. LHS is equal to A plus B whole bar. Now 0, 0. A bar means 0 bar means 1. B is 0. 0 bar means 1. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. 0, 1. 0 bar means 1. 1 bar means 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1, 0. 1, 0. 1 bar means 0. 0 bar means 1. 0 into 1, 0. Here the inputs are 1, 1. What happens? A bar, 1 bar means 0. B bar, 1 bar means 0. 0 into 0, 0. Now, this LHS, A plus B whole bar, 1, 0, 0. RHS, A bar, B bar, 1, 0, 0. So, both are same. So, that theorem is verified. Here, A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. That is the first De Morgan theorems, De Morgan theorem 1. I repeat again the definition of this De Morgan theorem 1. For any two variables A and B in Boolean algebra, the complement of sum of two variables is equal to the product of their individual complements. That is the theorem 1. That is A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. That is De Morgan theorem 1. Now, we will discuss about the De Morgan theorem 2. De Morgan theorem 2. De Morgan theorem 2. So, this is the De Morgan theorem 2, second theorem. A dot B whole bar, that is A and B whole bar, complement of A and B is equal to the A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar. How can we define this statement? Here, for any two variables A and B in Boolean algebra, the complement of product of the two logic variables is equal to the sum of their individual complements. I repeat again. For any two variables A and B in Boolean algebra, the complement of product of two logic variables is equal to the sum of their individual complements. Here, this is LHS and this one is RHS. Now, we will verify this statement. Verify this expression. Here, the inputs are A and B are the inputs. A and B are the inputs. A and B are the inputs. Next, A, B. A and B. And the LHS is, this is output. This is output. Output. What is output here? AB whole bar. AB bar. Let the inputs are 0 and 0. A and B, 0 into 0 is 0 and its complement AB bar 1. 0, 1. 0 into 1, 0. 0 bar 1. AB bar 1. 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. And its complement is 1. 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. And its complement, 1's complement is 0. The complement of 1 is 0. So here, this is LHS. What is LHS? LHS is equal to A and B complement, AB whole bar. That is LHS. LHS is verified like this by giving the values to the variables. Now, what is RHS here? Inputs A and B are the inputs. A bar, B bar. What is the output here? A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar is the output. This is output. This is output. This is output. Now, by giving the values to the variables, if A, B, 0, 0, A bar means 0 means 1, B bar means 1. 1 plus 1, 1. A bar 1, B bar 1. 1 plus 1, 1. Next, here A is 0, that means A bar means 1. B is 1, 1 bar means 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Here 1, and its A bar means 0. Here B is 0, 0 bar means 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Here A is 1, A bar means 0. B is 1, B bar means 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Here what is RHS? RHS is equal to A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar. So here AB whole bar 1 1 1 0. A bar plus B bar 1 1 1 0. Both are same. Both are verified. So this is the De Morgan theorems 2. Second De Morgan theorems. So these are the two Boolean laws. Two De Morgan Boolean laws theorems used in Boolean algebra to simplify the given Boolean expressions. So here I repeat again. De Morgan theorem. The first theorem is A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Second theorem is AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. These are the two De Morgan theorems used in Boolean algebra to simplify the given Boolean expressions. Okay, that's about this session. Thank you.